Learn English with Jenny. Please like, share and subscribe for more content. Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
Could you help me with this problem?
Yes, I could help you with that problem.
Should I apply for that job?
Yes, you should apply for that job.
Might it rain later?
Yes, it might rain later.
May I borrow your book?
Yes, you may borrow my book.
Would you like some tea?
Yes, I would like some tea.
Do you have to attend the meeting?
Yes, I have to attend the meeting.
Are you used to waking up early?
Yes, I am used to waking up early.
Can a cat climb trees?
Yes, a cat climbs trees.
Could you pass me the salt, please?
Yes, I could pass you the salt.
Should we wait for them before we start?
Yes, we should wait for them before we start.
Might he be the one who called?
Yes, he might be the one who called.
Can you read this story to me?
Certainly, let's begin.
May I play with your toy for a while?
Sure, but be careful with it.
Can you draw a picture of a cat?
Absolutely, meow.
May I go to the restroom?
Yes, you may go to the restroom.
Would you like fries with that?
Yes, I would like fries with that.
Do I have to pay for shipping?
Yes, you have to pay for shipping.
Are you used to spicy food?
Yes, I am used to spicy food.
Can you ride a bike?
Yes, I can ride a bike.
Could you pass me the remote?
Yes, I could pass you the remote.
Should I buy this dress?
Yes, you should buy this dress.
Might she be coming to the party?
Yes, she might be coming to the party.
Can you play the piano?
Yes, I can play the piano.
Could you speak French fluently?
Yes, I could speak French fluently.
Should I apologize for my mistake?
Yes, you should apologize for your mistake.
Might she be at the library right now?
Yes, she might be at the library right now.
May I ask you a question?
Yes, you may ask me a question.
Would you like to go hiking this weekend?
Yes, I would like to go hiking this weekend.
Do you have to finish the report by tomorrow?
Yes, I have to finish the report by tomorrow.
Are you used to driving on the left side of the road?
Yes, I am used to driving on the left side of the road.
Can a spider jump long distances?
Yes, a spider can jump long distances.
Could you lend me your pen for a moment?
Yes, I could lend you my pen for a moment.
Should we attend the meeting tomorrow?
Yes, we should attend the meeting tomorrow.
Might it snow later today?
Yes, it might snow later today.
May I have a glass of water, please?
Yes, you may have a glass of water.
Would you prefer tea or coffee?
I would prefer tea.
Do we have to bring our own snacks to the party?
Yes, we have to bring our own snacks to the party.
Are you used to public speaking?
No, I'm not used to public speaking.
Can you solve this puzzle?
Yes, I can solve this puzzle.
Could you teach me how to cook lasagna?
Yes, I could teach you how to cook lasagna.
Should I buy a new phone or repair my old one?
You should buy a new phone.
Might they have already left for the airport?
Yes, they might have already left for the airport.
Should I study for the exam tomorrow?
Yes, you should definitely study for the exam tomorrow.
Should we leave early to avoid traffic?
Yes, we should leave early to avoid traffic congestion.
Should I apologize to my friend for being late?
Yes, you should apologize to your friend for being late.
Should I invest in stocks or real estate?
You should consider both options carefully.
Should I call the doctor if my symptoms worsen?
Yes, you should definitely call the doctor if your symptoms worsen.
Should I bring an umbrella with me?
Yes, you should bring an umbrella with you.
Should I pack my lunch for work?
Yes, you should pack your lunch for work.
Would you have dinner with me tonight?
Yes, I would have dinner with you tonight. What time should I come over?
Would you have gone to the party if I hadn't invited you?
No, I wouldn't have gone to the party if you hadn't invited me. Thank you for inviting me.
Would you have believed it if I told you I won the lottery?
No, I wouldn't have believed it if you told me you won the lottery. That sounds too good to be true.
Well done following our English class today. You did very well to listen and learn so much. Your support helps us to make more quality content for you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comments for more lessons. Thank you.